There's a bird in a suburban garage right now laying an egg every single day, and its owner is making more money per square foot than most landlords. That bird weighs less than a can of soda, eats next to nothing, and in the right setup it basically runs itself. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why thousands are quietly ditching chickens for automated quail operations that pull in up to $2,000 a month, and why nobody on your block has told you about it yet. Stay with me for the next few minutes, because if you move before everyone else catches on, you can lock in customers and premium pricing that won't last forever. Chickens take 5 to 6 months to lay their first egg, eat a quarter pound of feed every single day, and need more space than most people have. Coturnix quail start laying at just 6 weeks old, eat a fraction of the feed, and produce eggs that sells a specialty product for $3 to $5 per dozen. That's a market chickens can't easily compete with. But the real advantage isn't the bird. It's the system. Build the right automated setup, and you stop tending animals all day and start operating a machine that pays you every month. Here's exactly how the system works. It starts with cage design. Unlike chickens, Coturnix quail thrive in tiered wire battery cages. A standard cage is about 2 feet wide, 2 feet deep, and less than a foot tall, comfortably holding 10 to 12 birds. Now imagine a simple hardware store shelving rack with 4 levels. One rack can hold 40 to 48 cages. That's roughly 400 quail in the footprint of a small garage corner. Sounds insane until you automate everything. First, automated feeders. A simple PVC pipe feeder runs along each row of cages. Fill it once every few days and gravity handles the rest. Each bird only needs around 0.8 ounces of feed daily. Fill the system and walk away. Second, nipple drinker lines. Forget dirty bowls and water trays. A gravity-fed reservoir connected to nipple drinkers keeps water clean, reduces disease risk, and cuts maintenance down to almost nothing. Refill the tank every few days and you're done. Third, egg collection. Quail cages are designed with a slight forward slope. When the bird lays an egg, it gently rolls into a front collection trough. No digging through bedding. No reaching into cages. You simply walk down the row and collect eggs in minutes. Fourth, manure management. The wire flooring allows droppings to fall into pull-out trays underneath. Slide the trays out once or twice a week. Dump them, slide them back in. Quail manure is excellent fertilizer, which means even the waste can become useful. Once the system is dialed in, a 300-bird setup takes about 20 to 40 minutes a day to maintain. That's less time than most people spend scrolling their phone in the morning. Now let's talk about the money. To generate around $2,000 a month in revenue, you need roughly 300 laying quail. Coturnix quail lay at about an 80% production rate under good conditions. That means 300 birds produce around 240 eggs every single day. Over 30 days, that's around 7,200 eggs, or 600 dozen. At an average selling price of $3.50 per dozen, that comes out to roughly $2,100 in monthly revenue. And before you say, yeah, but what about expenses? Let's break that down honestly. Feed is your biggest cost. 300 birds consume around 450 pounds of feed per month. Buying in bulk keeps costs low, around $130 to $150 monthly. Cartons and packaging might run another $60 to $90. Utilities and water stay low because quail require very little space and energy. Add bird replacement and miscellaneous costs, and total monthly operating expenses usually land around $300. That leaves roughly $1,800 monthly in potential net profit from a setup that fits inside a garage. And here's a part most people miss. Once you master 300 birds, scaling becomes easy. Going from 300 birds to 600 doesn't double your labor. It mostly doubles your output. A 1,000-bird setup can approach $7,000 a month in revenue while still being manageable by one person. That's the power of automation. Now let's talk startup costs. If you build parts of the system yourself, you can realistically start for around $800 to $1,500 total. That includes cages, feeders, water systems, chicks, initial feed, and packaging supplies. And unlike chickens, which can take 8 months or more to break even, quail start laying in 6 to 8 weeks. Many setups recover their startup cost by month 4. So who actually buys these eggs? That's the easiest part. Start local. Friends, Co-workers, neighbors, churches, gyms, and community groups are often your first customers. Farmers markets are another goldmine because shoppers already expect premium local products. But the real stabilizer is one anchor client. A restaurant, specialty grocery store, or meal prep business buying 100 to 150 dozen a week can practically carry your entire operation. And landing that client usually starts with something simple. Walk in with a sample carton. Introduce yourself. Explain that you produce local fresh quail eggs consistently. Offer a 2-week trial. That's it. No fancy website. No business degree. No investor pitch deck. Now let's handle the biggest objections. Won't it take too much time? Not with automation. A properly designed system runs quietly in the background of your life. What if nobody in my area buys quail eggs? If nobody sells them locally, that's usually an opportunity, not a problem. Specialty products thrive where competition is low. What about disease? Every livestock business has risk, but quail recover faster than chickens because their production cycle is so short. If something goes wrong, you can rebuild a flock in weeks instead of months. And that's exactly why so many people are quietly switching to quail right now. Low space requirements, low feed costs, fast production, fast scaling, fast cash flow. Picture this for a second. Someone with a schedule just like yours is standing in their garage right now collecting eggs from birds they started with zero experience. They didn't grow up farming. They didn't inherit land. They just made a decision and started small. Meanwhile, most people keep researching for months while someone else takes a market first. And every month you wait is another month of customers building loyalty with someone else instead of you. So here's a challenge. Spend the next 7 days researching your local demand. Visit a farmer's market. Walk into 2 restaurants and ask if they already source quail eggs. You'll know very quickly whether the opportunity exists. And in most places, it absolutely does. If this video gave you something useful, hit the like button because it helps more people discover practical business ideas like this. Subscribe to Livestock Labs for more videos built around real numbers, real systems, and realistic side hustle opportunities. Drop your city or country in the comments so we can create market-specific guides for your area. The birds are ready. The system is proven. The market is waiting. The only variable left is you. Like the video, subscribe to Livestock Labs, turn on notifications, and check out the next video where we break down the DIY gravity-feed blueprint that can save you 10 hours every single week. Subscribe to Livestock Labs. See you in the next one.